Hello everyone. We are looking at determinant phase 5, exercise 1, question number 8. We are still at exercise. All right. So we have been given matrix, identity matrix, I2 meaning 2 into 2. And find the value of the determinant and also the find of 3 into that. The property of determinant, we know that if and a scalar is multiplied with A and we have to find the determinant, then it is nothing but k to the power n. That means where n is the order. So this is a property that we remember, but I would like, because it is a 2 into 2, so just let us look at this property first. So I2 meaning 1, 0, 0, 1. This is a matrix, I2. All right, this is a matrix, I2. And we have to find the determinant value of I2. So these are just initial questions, so we should also look at why this works. So determinant value of 1, 0, 0, 1, if we just know how to find the determinant 1 into 1, so this is 1. So from here, one understanding that the determinant value of identity matrix of any order is always going to be 1. Secondly, if it is a diagonal matrix, the determinant value is always the multiplication of the diagonal. Even if it is a triangular matrix, the determinant value is always going to be a product of the diagonal elements here. Now, the second thing is if 3 is multiplied. So let's look at what is 3I2 first. So 3, 0, 0, 3. This is 3I2 matrix. Now, if I want to find the value of, 3. So I want to find the value of 3I2, determinant value of this, meaning 3003. So we can calculate. It is going to be 9. So we can do the calculation and find out. But I want you to also look at this formula. So this is 3 into I2 should be equal to 3 to the power, because it is a 2 order, into I, which is 1. So from here also we get. So basically this formula has come from there only, but we can look at it in detail. Thank you.